Hey you guys, it's Michelle here, the CEO and co-founder of Miche Beauty. So today I'm going to show you guys how to master your wash and go in only 5 easy steps. So starting with clean hair is one of the most important steps. It really will prep your hair for hydration and for styling. So I'm going to be starting with our Cleanse Sulfate-Free shampoo, which is going to thoroughly and gently cleanse my hair, get rid of all the buildup, and leave my hair feeling nice and moisturized, but still very clean. Okay, so now that we've thoroughly washed our hair, we're gonna move on to step 2, which is conditioning. For conditioning today, I'm gonna be using our Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, which is an amazing deep conditioner if you are looking for moisture. It's also great for detangling, so I'm gonna also detangle my hair as well. So the first thing I'm gonna do is section my hair into sections so it makes it easier to apply and detangle. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my favorite detangling tool, and then I'm going to detangle from the ends to the roots until my full head is fully detangled. Of course, for a more intense deep treatment, you can always sit under a steamer or under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap for about 20 minutes and then go ahead and rinse that out for a nice deep conditioning treatment. So I've gone ahead and rinsed out the Indulge Deep Conditioner for my hair, and I'm about to move on to step 3, which is styling. And I'm gonna be using our new Sclupt Curl Defining Gel to style my hair. Styling your hair on soaking wet hair is the key to minimal frizz and definition. So I'm not gonna be styling in the shower today, but I will be using my spray bottle, which is gonna be great for re-wetting my hair to add that water back into my hair. Like we say here at Miche Beauty, there's no such thing as too much water. So for this wash and go, I am going to be using our Lavish leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use this under the gel, but this is optional. You do not have to use a leave-in conditioner. What the leave-in conditioner is going to do is it's going to add a little more softness to your wash and go, but of course you can use it without, and it will make your wash and go last a little longer if you do not use a leave-in conditioner. But today I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to go ahead and take about 2 to 3 pumps, and I'm just going to apply that to all of my hair. Now that I've applied my leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair so it can make it easier to start styling. And then once I section my hair, I'm gonna go in with the gel. And then like I said, I'm going to re-wet the section so that I can create that really great definition and reduce frizz as much as I can. Because I have fine hair and less dense hair, I'm gonna be working in medium to big sections, but if you have more dense hair with a tighter coil, I would suggest working in smaller sections so you can ensure that you get every last curl. Another tip when applying your gel, you definitely want to make sure to emulsify it in your hands, which is just rubbing it together just like this. This will help to apply it evenly over your hair and distribute it evenly. And you also want to make sure you are raking and smoothing. So you just want to use your fingers as a rake and just rake it through, and use your other hand and just smooth over it. And this works great on all hair types, all textures. This method works great because it really helps to clump your curls and also smooth them out so that you get really defined, so you get a really defined wash and go. Now that I've applied the gel to all of my head, the next step, which is step 4, is to dry my hair. Now, this really depends on what you prefer. There are different methods. You can either air dry, you can sit under a dryer, or diffuse your hair. I'm actually going to sit under a dryer and then get my hair to about 80% dry and then go in with a diffuser. I feel like this is the best method for me because it really helps to set your hair right in place so that it is more elongated. So if you like more of an elongated look, you definitely want to go ahead and sit under a dryer. And then I also do like volume as well. So I'm gonna go in with the diffuser after and make sure to get the roots and also add a little bit of volume. Also, an important step in your wash and go is once it's drying, do not touch your hair. You do not want to start messing with it because it's gonna create extra frizz and you want it to set exactly how you styled it. So I repeat, do not touch your hair while it is drying. So now that my hair is nice and dry, we're gonna move on to step 5, which is the last step in our wash and go, and that is to apply our polished hair and scalp oil to your hair. Now, this step is optional. You do not have to do this, but I like to do it because 1, it adds a little bit of shine, and 2, it helps to break up that gel cast. So you know that once your hair dries, you have a little bit of a cast, which is great because it helps your wash and go last longer. But for those of us like me who are looking for some more volume, I like to break it up just a little bit and then proceed with my pick to help pick out my hair a little bit so it's more voluminous. If you already have really dense, voluminous hair, you may just want to go ahead and skip this step and then your wash and go is pretty much complete. So I'm not going to overpick my hair because I do want my hair to get bigger as the days go on, because if I overpick it on day 1, then I won't get a very long wash and go. I won't get like to day 5. So I'm not going to overpick. I'm just going to leave it. And for my nighttime routine, I'm just going to simply pineapple my hair. I'm just going to take a scrunchie like this, and I'm just going to put my hair to the top of my head like this. And then I'm going to apply the scrunchie, and it's just going to be a loose pineapple just like this. Then of course I'm going to go in with our new bonnets, you guys. I hope you guys grabbed one during Black Friday. If not, we will have some on the website soon. Hopefully they're there now. But you just go ahead and take the bonnet and you just place it over your hair, just tuck it in. And that is pretty much, oh, forgot this piece of hair. All right, so now your hair is protected, and this is a really important step because this will make or break your wash and go. So you definitely want to protect your hair at night. Sleep with a bonnet, double up with a satin pillowcase as well. You could also adjust it right here so you can tighten it so that it does not fall off at night, and you are good to go, nice and protected at nighttime. And then in the morning, all you'll do is simply just take it off. So loosen that up. Take it off, take out your pineapple, like so, and then all you're gonna do in the morning is just fluff and shake it out, and then just, you know, put it where you want it to be. So that is a nighttime routine. One thing I forgot to mention is you definitely do not want to pick or manipulate your hair unless it is 100% dry. So if you feel like your hair is still not quite dry yet, don't touch it just as yet. Make sure it's fully dry, and then you can proceed to break the gel cast and also to pick your hair and to stretch it. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. My hair is so moisturized, it's hydrated, it's nice and defined, it's soft, but it still has a nice hold to it. So I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of days out of this wash and go. I'm really excited. So I hope this was helpful and you were able to learn how to master your wash and go. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Bye, you guys.